As far as I think that jeans is very good for our body because it protects us from everything. As far as I think that dogs are cuter than the cats because you can see in the market people buying dogs. Sorry for disturbing you, but according to me, shoes are the best in winter.
So hi viewers, welcome back to the kids section of Bar English Academy. And today in our class, we are going with one of the funniest session that is called Silly Pilly Debate. अभी तक आप सभी ने डिबेट बहुत ही फॉर्मल तरीके में या एक इन्फॉर्मेटिव टॉपिक के बारे में सुनी होगी, बट ये डिबेट थोड़ी सी फनी और थोड़ी सी एंटरटेनिंग होने वाली है, इसीलिए इसका नाम है सिली पिली डिबेट. सो आइए देखते हैं हमारी क्लास में कि एक्टिविटी हम कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले हैं. सो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट डिबेट I would like to call Adyan and Ashmi on the stage. So your silly pilly topic is, tell me which cloth is more comfortable, lungi or jeans? Lungi.
Jeans.
Okay. So you will go with lungi and you will go with jeans.
As far as I think that jeans is very good for our body because it protects us from everything like wind, sun, everything. No, but I'm not on the same page. You have listened this thing that always in Bollywood, always they wear only comfortable clothes. So why they were playing the role of lungi dance? It means that lungi is also very much comfortable than felt. I respect your point, but jeans come in many varieties and colors and many types of designs, and it is also comfortable in such people's. So thank you.
Okay, that's all. It is all right. It was good that you both were explaining and respecting each other's points, right? But there should be some points by that you can counter each other, right? More than a debate, it sound a little conversation. Okay? So try to come up with some counterpoints. Okay? That rest part was really good. Okay? So now your topic. Tell me which pet animal is so cute? Dog or cat?
Cat. Dog.
Cat and dog. Okay.
As far as I think that dogs are cuter than the cats because you can see in the market people buying dogs. I believe that cats are very much cute than dogs. How do you know dog roaming here and there in house every day, but cats they sit in one place and they sleep there only, and they doesn't roam there here and there, so we cannot get disturbed. You are right, but not completely because the cats didn't eat food, and you're saying even that they sit in a place. But dogs, they roam place to place for food, and they even sleep in different places and explore places. Our street dogs are more cuter than the cats. Street dogs, do you know they can bite us? Okay, so let's end it here only. Thank you.
It was good. It was even interesting to listen both of you. Thank you so much. That it is your silly billy debate. So now your topic is going to be, according to you, which footwear is more comfortable, shoes or slipper?
Shoes. Slipper. Hi Ishman. Hi Prisa. So according to me, slippers are more comfortable because in slippers we use in summer season, and it is very comfortable because it is not like shoes clothes from everywhere. It is open. Sorry for disturbing you, but I am not on the same page. According to me, shoes are the best in winter. It is the current season is winter. Look, everyone are wearing shoes.
Pretty is there.
Everybody is wearing shoes. No, but no. This isn't sorry to disturb you, but I am also not on same page because season doesn't matter. Season doesn't matter. In winters also we can use slippers. I think slippers are better. Okay, I think both are better. So we can.
So जैसा आप सभी ने इन सभी बच्चों को परफॉर्म करते हुए देखा, कितने कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ और इवन एक स्माइल के साथ उन्होंने अपने सारे पॉइंट्स को प्लेस किया और एक दूसरे को समझाया कि कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा बेटर है उनके ओपिनियन से. तो ये एक्टिविटी हमें सिखाती है कि किस तरीके से हमें अपना स्टैंड लेना चाहिए, बट किसी और के पॉइंट्स को रिस्पेक्ट करते ही. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चों में भी ये कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हो कि वो अपना स्टैंड लेना सीखे, उन्हें पता चले कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत, so you can also join us on Bar English Academy's platform. Thank you so much.